How's it everyone? Welcome to Bait Tactics. Every outdoorsman always needs some cool stuff for their man caves, their fisherman's corners and their hunter's coves. So let me show you how to make super cool coasters that'll spice up your King's Cove and leave all your buddies proper jealous. You can apply this to basically anything and any surface, and the possibilities on what you can make are endless. From coasters to wall plaques and even wallpaper. So if you want to make some cool, unique stuff for your man cave, this video is definitely for you. Let's go, buddy! One of my friends cut me some coasters made from 3mm MDF wood, and I just printed out some cool pics that I wanted to transfer to the coasters. But like I said, you can use this method on basically anything. The product that I use is called Mod Podge, and it's available at most craft stores. This is the best product to use to permanently transfer pictures to any surface. I painted the backgrounds with chalk paint, but you can use spray paint as well. When your paint is dry, add a thin coat of Mod Podge and carefully place your picture, making sure that it sits perfectly flat without any bubbles or folds. Once you're happy that it's perfect, give it another light coat of Mod Podge and put it aside to dry while you do your other ones. The Mod Podge will dry completely clear and it will look as if that picture was painted on there. The cool thing about the Mod Podge is it's like an epoxy, so you can transfer other cool things like fish scales, feathers and leaves to anything as well, giving you the opportunity to create super awesome and unique memorabilia. These make super cool presents as well that you can give to friends and family, as it's not something that you bought but something that you made with your own two hands, making it very personal and super special. And like I said, you can use the Mod Podge to make awesome wallpaper with any pictures that you want. You don't have to put a thick layer, just make sure that everything is covered properly. Now let them dry completely and seal them on both sides with some clear lacquer. Fishing isn't just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. And if your man cave is about fishing, the great outdoors, good buddies and proper gear, these definitely belong on your table. And as always, why buy it when you can make it even better? Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Tight lines.